Welcome everyone. Question on oxidation number. The oxidation number of chromium in CrO5 is. Choices are A plus 4, B plus 6, C plus 8, D plus 10. Answer is B plus 6. Explanation we will see in the next slide. This is the structure of CrO5. CrO5 has 2 peroxo bonds. So these 4 oxygen atoms are in a -1 oxidation state and the other oxygen atom is in a -2 oxidation state. Let the oxidation number of chromium be X. So X for 1 chromium atom plus 4 into -1 for 4 peroxo bonded oxygen atoms plus 1 into -2 for the double bonded oxygen atom is equal to 0, or X is equal to plus 6. Therefore, the oxidation number of chromium in CrO5 is plus 6. Thank you for watching this video.